I had to put on these hand protecting kits, handguards from SWMotech. I think they look better than the original OEM Yamaha ones. Let's see how they look when they... The first thing is putting the bar, the bracket against the guard and screwing in these holders. Then we will attach the other metal pieces to this. So that's the first thing. Just get the right side in the right place, otherwise you'll be spending a lot of time thinking how this is going to work. But you just got to make sure this part is the right one that goes that way. So upwards. Attach this bracket, unscrewing this part, which tightens it onto the handlebar, and then we'll just place it onto the... Right, we've got to put the bolt in, bar ends for the handguard. Let's twist it in place. You're going to then put this piece of bar end in, and I believe this will go here. Right, and this thing goes into here. You then put the other piece, here and screw to attach to the guard. And you'll see the end result coming from this. See how it looks when it's done. So, finally completed, install done. Had to get this loose, move this around, put this in place, and very easy to do actually. Hope you like the finish. Give us a comment, subscribe. Obviously from looking from here, you can see how it looks. So it's supposed to protect you. And I'm trying to hopefully see if it does protect me from the wind blast too. That's all folks.